How to download and install Facebook. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to download and install Facebook on your mobile device. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Facebook on your Android devices, but the process will be very similar for other devices. So first step is open up the Play Store. Then tap on the search bar in the top of the screen and do a search for Facebook. Tap on the Facebook app once it appears in the search results and then tap on Install. If prompted, enter in any passwords or user IDs to confirm that you want to download this app. Facebook will then be installed on your mobile device. This process may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the Facebook app. And that's all it takes to download and install Facebook. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.